Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Rusks is a very important part of South African tradition. There is a lot of recipes. Recipes that vary from traditional all the way to modern. Today I will show you a delicious modern recipe that consists mostly of dates, pecans and dried pears. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 1.5 kilograms of self-raising flour, 300 milliliter All Bran, 500 milliliter of buttermilk, 400 grams of sugar, 375 grams of butter, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 5 milliliter of salt, 2 eggs, 10 milliliter of baking powder, 1 cup of dried pears. The pears need to be cut to the size of a medium raisin, and 1 cup of dried dates. The dates need to be chopped to the size of a medium raisin.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Melt the butter and add the buttermilk and eggs. Mix all the dry ingredients together.
To make it easier to cut the rusks later, crush the All Bran with your hands. Add the pecans, dates and pears and mix.
Mix the wet and dry ingredients together. Prepare a rusk pan and flatten the dough. To ensure it's even, use a rolling pin to roll it flat. Use a rusk template to mark out your rusks. If you don't have a template, don't worry, you can use a ruler and a knife to measure out the pieces. Bake for 40 minutes. Tip it out of the pan and let it cool down before you start cutting it. Space the rusks evenly on your oven rack. let it dry overnight in the oven at 110 degrees Celsius. Just remember not to close the oven door completely.
Watching today's video. I'll link the rest of my rusk recipes in the description below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.